If your Oral-B IO toothbrush won't turn on or charge, the issue is usually related to the magnetic charging system or battery calibration. The most common causes include charging dock connection problems, battery wear, firmware glitches, minor contact contamination, or a faulty power adapter. Start with the quick fixes that solve most cases. First, confirm the wall outlet works and the adapter is firmly connected. Second, clean the metal charging contacts on both the brush handle and dock using a dry cloth. Even light residue can interrupt charging. Third, ensure the brush is properly aligned on the magnetic dock. You should feel it snap into place. Finally, try a different outlet to rule out electrical supply issues. If it still doesn't respond, perform a battery reset. Leave the toothbrush on the charger for 24 hours, remove it, and allow the battery to drain fully, then charge again for another uninterrupted 24 hours. This recalibrates the battery management system. For software-related issues, hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds to reset firmware. Regular cleaning of charging contacts and occasional battery recalibration help prevent future failures.